Are you a YouTuber thinking of buying watch hours, thinking of buying subscribers, and thinking of buying views to be able to boost your YouTube channel? Hold on, stop scrolling. Make sure to click on this video because this video is just for you. So I came across this question in which someone posted on social media platforms, which the person was asking, is it okay or right to buy views and subscribers, or maybe watch hour? What's your opinion? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what are people talking about this question, if it is good to buy subscribers, buy watch hours, or buy views to be able to grow or boost your YouTube channel. And I'm also going to be giving my honest opinion because I've done these things before, so I can be able to tell you the difference between buying watch hours, buying views, and buying subscribers. What is actually the end result? So let's go. I'm going to be reading some of the comments in which people talked about, and you'll be seeing these things on your screen for you to see what people like you and I have to say concerning this topic, because this is a very important topic. When you are thinking of growing your YouTube channel, you need to be able to think of these things when you are thinking of doing it. Know what are the consequences of doing these things. Now, this is one of the first things in which someone said it's okay if you think it's okay. Another person said, I think that's against YouTube policy. Then another person also says this. Someone dropped an emoji to say if you think it's okay. Then this is what someone else has to say. He said it is against YouTube and Twitch TOS. I don't know what that means. That being said, let's look at it. If YouTube or TW didn't notice your actions and how it will impact your future as a content creator. Now, first thing you need to look at is if you have a lot of dead or subs, your channel won't grow. A dead subscriber is someone who is subbed to your YouTube channel and doesn't watch your content. That tells the AI, the algorithm, that your stuff is boring. Then another thing in which he said is cost and reward, which I'm going to be playing for you to see. So these are some of the things in which people think on YouTube. So I'm also going to be looking at another one. This other person said it's not an opinion, it's facts. I don't know what this person means. Someone else said no. Then now let's look at the full details of what this person was saying. If you don't, that's the number two, if you don't care about the health of your content and growing your channel naturally, go for it. I know some popular YouTube creators who use bots to get affiliate or monetize and didn't catch what they were doing, and YouTube didn't catch what they were doing, and they are doing okay now. If you are struggling, then getting those extra views could help you get affiliated or monetize. Then the next one is, I knew someone on YouTube who streamed every day to the same one or two people, but they could never get the average number to go up. He's talking about the watch hour. They paid for both views for 1 hour of streaming to get the average up to 3. Afterwards, they stopped using bots and are growing their channel naturally. It was a small boost to help them to get over the plateau of views or watch hours. So that is what this person has to say. Then this is another one. It's not an opinion, it's a fact. That's what I read. Someone else said, I think yes, if you understand what you are doing and make sure it is a company that will advertise people they are interested in, your people that are interested in your content. But good companies, you can pay to have them advertise or put your content in front of people that care for it. So it just depends if they answer. Someone else said, I have spent years and years trying to grow my YouTube channel, so I paid when I had the money. It didn't help to get where I am at now, but sadly it does not mean they will view your stuff. So it is really up to you. Then someone else has this other thing to say, which is absolutely not. You want a genuine audience. If you are genuine, if you are after nothing but money, then you are wasting your time. Such a fake world in which we live in. Another person said, depends on what you like to achieve. If you want to end your channel, then this would be definitely an option. People really need to read YouTube's terms and conditions. That's what this one means. Then another person says that whether it's right or okay or not is irrelevant. What isn't up for debate is how desperate and sad it is, and how doing it will risk your channel being terminated and you on YouTube. So it's possible that you might get banned on YouTube. And that person says that, sure, go ahead. And when YouTube discovered it, they will delete your channel. No problem. One less fake channel out there. You can see what this other person is saying. Then another person is like buying guests to your party. Why? I think this is very deep. What this person says is very deep. It's like you're buying guests for your party. You are buying people to come and attend your party. That's, you are paying people that will not at the end of the day be at the party to be able to see all the events or go through the whole event, but they are just there to show up. Now, someone says straight buying of views or subscriber can get your channel deleted, which is the same thing. I won't be reading everything. Someone said I never do and will never do. Someone else now add an insult. Stupid question. So don't mind that. Now, let me go into the details of this whole thing in which I'm talking about. I will make it brief. So now, when you're buying views, the main reason why people buy views is when they're thinking of hitting their watch hour, and someone else who is looking for subscriber can also buy subscribers. But first, I'll start with subscriber counts. Now, if you're buying subscribers, the problem with buying subscribers is the fact that when you buy subscribers, it's like you are inviting people to your party, that you are paying people to attend your party. So now what it means is that when you buy subscribers, once you've been able to hit that monetization, what the end result is that you post video and nobody will watch it. And the main purpose of getting subscribers is to get people that are interested in your content, in the kind of content whereby whenever you drop a video, they are going to watch it. Those are what we call loyal subscribers or loyal viewers. So you need to be able to get the right people that are interested in the content in which you make. So that's some of the reason why it's not good to buy subscribers or buy views. Now, for the watch hour, I've come across some people that they are thinking of hitting the 4,000 watch hours, but they've been able to get the 1,000 subscribers. Now they're thinking of getting the watch hour, which is 4,000 watch hours that is actually needed for them to be fully monetized on YouTube. Now, one thing which you need to know is that if you have the 1,000 subscribers, you have the people that are interested in your kind of content, but you've not been able to hit the 4,000 watch hours. Now, when you're thinking of buying the watch hour, you need to be very smart and get the right suppliers, the right people that will be able to run this watch hour. Because if you go through the wrong channel, if YouTube detect that, your channel might get banned or get deleted. That's one thing. And another thing is that you don't just do watch hours because you want to do it. You need to do it, maybe, let's say you have like 2,000 watch hours and you are looking for extra 2,000 to be able to complete your 4K watch hours. Or maybe you have 3,000 and it's almost a year, because YouTube gives 1 year for you to be able to hit the 4,000 watch hours. Once it's past 1 year, what they do is that each day that counts after the 12 months, which is 1 year, they start removing the watch hours that you have accumulated at first. So that's some of the things in which they do. So depending on what you want to do, if you're thinking of getting 1,000 watch hour to be able to complete your 4K watch hour, if you have trusted sellers, we have people that can be able to, that's company that can be able to help you to run your watch hours. If that is the case, I think it's also a good option for you to be able to do that, to be able to get your 4K watch hours. But you have to be careful, because if YouTube detects these things, these things might get your channel banned and you might lose your channel. Those are some of the risks in which is involved in these things. And if you are thinking of getting views, you want to get views, is to me, paying money to get views doesn't make sense, because is either you are running a subscriber to be able to get subscribers, or you are running to get your watch hours. So getting views doesn't make sense if the views doesn't give you the watch hour which is required for you to get monetized. So that is it. So from my experience, this is what I can tell you, because going through this mess, thinking of buying watch hours or buying subscribers is not advisable, because you risk losing your channel, you risk getting involved. That's going against YouTube terms and conditions. So you need to be careful, and even if you are doing that, make sure you get these things from a trusted third party to be able to get your channel monetized. So this is all I have to say on today's video. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel, because more videos coming up. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.